People tell us we have accents. We don't think we have accents ourselves until other people tell us.
We didn't lose our accent because we haven't left here long enough to lose it.
Pettigrows, sunflowers.
A little piece of Ireland tucked away in the North Atlantic. Sure, it'll be grand.
I'm here in Newfoundland and I'm looking for what they call the most Irish communities outside of Ireland.
You'll know him when you meet him. He's different from the rest. He hails from Terranova, and he's better than the best. He's a downright Newfoundlander, a man of many parts. Oh, there's strong Irish links here. My name is Sean Sullivan. We're in Calvert on the southern shore. This area is also called the Irish Loop. I said to my wife Angie, Angie, when I retire, I think we should open this to the public and then we could share our songs with the people. She said, Sean, you might as well as already a song is. My particular ancestors came from New Ross, County Wexford in 1827. 1827. Honest to God. Now, I'm after in Ireland a bunch of times and they really think we're from out the road somewhere. They say, geez, you can't be from Canada. So we're from Canada.
So the Irish began coming here in the 1700s and 1800s for one reason. People took a fairly arduous journey across the Atlantic. 6 weeks it took, and they would work the fisheries, and these communities started to build up around the coastal areas in Newfoundland.
This is her. This is Kate Sesk, my grandmother, and that would be Kate's mother, and her name was Agnes Bryan. And Agnes Bryan's father would have been Thaddeus Bryan, and he came over from Cork.
Because it's, I guess, so isolated, communities through the generations have just stayed very intact. Really, when you close your eyes and listen, you feel like you could be in Waterford or Kilkenny.
I'm Maureen Foley. Tilting is located on Fogo Island, which is an island off the extreme northeast coast of Newfoundland. We are the closest place, geographically speaking, which is accessible by vehicle to Ireland. This is our backyard. The water is low now. Although the island is isolated, every community was isolated in a way. Up until 1972, every community had their own school. My parents never had a car. Potato was the staple food, and it still is. We grew up listening to our parents singing the old Irish songs. To leave my dear old mother, to break her heart for sure. Likewise my aged father.
Hi, Paddy. One time, of course, they made quilts to keep us from freezing in those cold bedrooms upstairs. They give water for the kettle, you use a jug to break the ice and fill it up. There's a song within me, singing out a blessing to Newfoundland. Pettigrows, sunflowers.
Why is there an Irish festival in Tilting?
Well, because everybody here is Irish. The Irish came over here in the 1700s and 1800s. We didn't lose our accent because we haven't left here long enough to lose it.
I guess the accents stay because when people came in this small community, they never went to the city until maybe the 1960s or so, right? So whatever language they had when they left Ireland, it stayed with them.
There are similarities, both are islands, Newfoundland and Ireland. Looking outside the window here, I mean, this is just a couple of minutes south of St. John's. It's just as if they were transplanted a couple of years ago.
There's not a whole lot of people like who live here year round, and we're only a tiny fishing community of 125, 130 people.
How did you feel when you were in Ireland?
Oh my God, I felt like going home.
When we go to Ireland, then we're in love with the place because people are so much like ourselves, I find. Not only the accents and but the dispositions of the people, I find, and we fit right in over there.
No matter where they are, it's like the Irishman in heaven and the Newfoundlander in heaven. They want to go home.
I came home and I said, this is clearly where we came from. Ireland, this is clearly where we came from.